What's up, guys? Welcome to Street Rides TV. It's Xavier Santos 47. I was driving by and I noticed this clean-ass Acura TL. I believe these are the newer Honda Accord rims. He's got his visors, nice multicolor tips. I think they're like a burnt, oxidized, or a, I don't know, there's so many ways to describe them. I like it. It's real clean. It's simple. It's not overly done. He's got some brakes here. Oh shit, these are fake as fuck. They don't even fit right. They're literally just fucking screwed on. This front bumper is pretty dope. I thought it was just the lip at first. It's actually the whole front bumper. Love these cars. They got one of the best designs ever. It's one of my most favorite Acuras they've ever made. That front bumper actually makes the nose look a lot longer, sleeker, which is pretty dope. It's got the tow bar. Some fake ass brakes that I fucking cleaned that already. Yeah. Back bumper. It's all replaced too. It's new. Guys, I'm giving away $1,000 for every 10,000 subscribers, so hit the subscribe button, hit the like, and comment below that you subscribed. I will enter you into our randomizer, which is going to pick out our next winner. Comment, like, subscribe. Peace out, guys.